about 3 days ago, I think, or so. I was flooring it up the Highbury there, and I noticed my engine light flash, but I didn't actually notice anything about the car. Like, the car seemed to drive fine. And within 3 days, I've gone from no engine light to the engine light doing this, where when it's not solid, it's flashing. So a couple months ago, this car got like a misfire, and it went from subtle to like really bad really quickly, and it threw a misfire code for cylinder 8. Cylinder 8 misfire. And most people that get that, it's just the coil packs. So I put a set of coil packs on it, and when I did the coil packs, I noticed that the cylinder 8 coil pack was a bit like dirty inside. Like, it almost had like engine oil in it. I thought it was engine oil, but after replacing the coil packs, drove the car for like 2 days, 3 days, and then the misfire came back, and it was cylinder 8 again. So I look at cylinder 8 and look at it again, and it turned out it was coolant. So that tells me either the intake gasket or the intake manifold is bad. So I'm off to do that now. I'm not sure if it's the gasket or the manifold, but I knew long before I ever even bought this car that the manifold is a common problem to the car, because it's a plastic manifold sitting on top of a metal motor, so the plastic manifold cracks all the time. So I ordered a brand new manifold too. It smells like go-go juice.
Cocaine! Oh, I'm watching the spark plug fill up with coolant currently.
Conditions apply.
When you knock on wood, make sure it's solid. London Fine Furniture carries Canadian-made solid wood and stone pieces for every room in your home.
Oh, wait, what hole? Oh, that hole.
You can even order custom sizing and choose from over 40 color options. And London Fine Furniture is so confident in their quality that they've doubled the warranty from 10 years to 20. Plus, right now,
yeah, I'm just gonna go with I don't know how to fix cars because I didn't even read the instruction manual on this one.
1040 Warncliffe Road, south to Southdale.
You're not a Ford guy.
No, not at all. I'm just like, well, it looks like everything up here needs to come off, so take it off.
Join the Marching for Meals Wampanoag in support of Meals on Wheels London. You can do it from home.
When a Dodge guy works on the Ford.
You'll be raising much needed funds to help deliver meals to adults living with disabilities. Plus, there will be a virtual silent auction and trivia night. Visit mealsonwheelslondon.ca.
Marcus & Associates, Ford Dalton, competent, committed, creative. Chartered professional accountants and business valuators serving Southwestern Ontario for over 50 years.
Discover that Ski-Doo feeling when you spring check your 2022 Ski-Doo at Andrew Sports today. Secure exclusive sleds and technology like the Trail Crusher Renegade XR.
I hear coolant hitting my floor.
Semi-active smart shock suspension or the anticipated return.
Is it supposed to do that?
I think the car is still hot.
Fuck, I'm getting burned still.
Jamie Andrews here from Andrew Sports. Outdoor fun starts here. 10 minutes south of London on Wellington Road.
Restrictions apply. Customer offers vary based on credit worthiness. See dealer for details.
Hi there, Tanya here from City Center Storage. Did you know that we are the first company to offer portable storage containers shipped directly to your front door? And we're the only company in the region that can guarantee level pickup of your load.
Should have ordered some bigger injectors.
That's right. Don't be fooled by those who
And a
say they
250
can,
shot.
but can't. Big box motor, guaranteed pickup.
It's all fun and games till the piston goes boom.
519.
Then you just get a bigger motor.
2466.
Yeah.
That's 519-645-BIN or Big
Put
Box
something in with fast and not so much forward involved.
Adults and heating and air conditioning ready to bring the heat. As always, you sound pumped, Jamie. You've really got to bring it.
Oh, I'll bring it. I'm all about the heat. I'm summer in the desert, baby.
Can we get back to your offer?
Bring it,
Great.
Brittany,
We're offering
bitch.
no tax or 0% interest for 3 years on qualifying systems.
That is a pretty hot deal.
90 degrees in the shade.
That's a hot deal.
London's only residential heating and air conditioning. tonight.
Fuck you, Donald!
Google Donaldson Heating and Air Conditioning today.
Okay, you're gonna have to pause it pretty soon because copyright.
Well, $50 happen to be in your pocket, and you happen to be in.
I know. So James burned himself 6 times pulling that off.
Only 6 though. And now I'm dipping my fingers in hot coolant just because it's fun. Alright, let's flip this ugly piece of shit over and see what we figure out. Okay, that's
Cylinder 8. So the driver's side closest to the firewall.
I bet you it was leaking right there.
Is that why the gasket looks all white?
But look at the fronts, they were both ready to start leaking right up front too.
Oh yeah.
See them? Look at that. Look, the gasket was falling. Look.
So it's probably the gasket, not so much the manifold. But either way, I know the manifold's a problem because they
Well, look,
crack.
the manifold is all fucking...
Oh wow, the manifold's toast too, eh?
Yeah, the manifold's falling apart inside.
So it's a good thing. Wow, I can't believe that. That just, that's awesome. I'm glad I'm doing this.
Me too. Smoke break.
Spotless. I think the car's still hot from the last time I drove it.
It is. It's still steaming. The intake's back on.
Oh, copyright.
Copyright. Just hold it at like 1500. Get the temperature to come up.